Hey honeycrunchers, it's me Jham and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be swatching and reviewing the Whimsical Collection by Girl Stuff. If you missed my video unboxing for this collection, you can click the iCard above. Before swatching this collection, I'm applying my favorite peel-off nail mask. I always use this when I'm swatching nail polishes. And I'm setting that aside to dry. For the first nail polish we're gonna be swatching, this is Vibe With Me. Vibe With Me has a stunning shimmery yellow gold shade. Here's one coat. Then I'm applying a second coat. All eyes will be on your tips and toes when you don this opulent gold shade. It's enough to make any look unforgettable. Then here are my picture swatches of Vibe With Me. And here's a macro shot. Next shade I'm swatching is Enchanted. Enchanted has a light purple-pink shade. Here's one coat. And I'm applying another coat of Enchanted. Be tickled pink every time you glance at this enthralling, creamy polish that brings back childhood memories of tutus, cotton candy, and party dresses. Then here are my picture swatches of Enchanted. Third shade I'm swatching is Shine. Shine has a bright pastel yellow shade. I'm applying one coat. Then for the second coat. Be a bright ray of sunshine and radiate happiness with a layer of this pastel yellow polish. Here are my picture swatches of Shine. The next nail polish is Forever. Forever has a pastel green shade. Here's one coat. Then I'm applying another coat of Forever. Bring fresh and cool energy vibe onto your tips. Here are my picture swatches of Forever. Then we have is the shade Believe. Believe has a pastel blue shade. Here's the first coat. Then I'm applying a second coat. Dare to dream and make your wishes come true in this beguiling blue tint, reminiscent of frozen lakes and icy escapades. Here are my picture swatches of Believe. The next nail polish is Wonder. Wonder has a pastel purple shade. Here's one coat. here's the second coat. This regal pastel purple shade exudes vibes of fantasy and wonder. Here are my picture swatches of wonder. And the last shade from this collection is Fairy Dust. Fairy Dust has holographic and silver glitters on a clear base. Here's one coat. Now here's the second coat. Accentuated with hologram glitters, this eye-catching silver white polish will remind you that magic exists everywhere. Here are my picture swatches of Fairy Dust. And here's a macro shot. And here are all of my picture swatches side by side. Oh, and by the way, I applied all of the pastel shades on each of my nails, and why not apply Fairy Dust as a holographic top coat? What do you guys think? Isn't it super adorable? This collection has 7 shades, 1 shimmer polish, 5 pastel shades, and 1 holographic polish. All of the shades are opaque within 2 coats, but if your nails are a bit longer, I advise that you guys apply 3 coats. It dries super fast. These nail polishes are made in France. And it's in an 11 ml bottle. One nail polish costs 180 pesos. Which shade from the Whimsical Collection by Girl Stuff is your favorite? I want to know your answers, so don't forget to leave it on the comment section. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!